one or more subordinate clause is called complex sentence. Compound sentence having two or more independent clauses is called compound sentence. Compound sentence. Example. Eating rice. I want to school. Eating rice. I want to school. Number 2. Simple. Complex. When I have rice. Eating rice, I want to school. Simple sentence. When I eat rice, I want to school. Complex sentence. Previously, I gave you definition of simple, complex, and compound. Now I have presented 3 examples of simple, complex, and compound. Number 1, simple sentence. Eating rice, I want to school. This is a simple sentence because it has only one subject I and one final verb when. For this reason, it is simple sentence. Number 2, complex sentence. It has one principal clause. When I have rice, this is subordinate clause. This is subordinate clause. I want to school. Principal clause. For this reason, it is complex sentence. Number 3, compound sentence. It has 2 clauses and clauses are completely independent. For this reason, it is a compound sentence. Now I hope now you have understood. Now you will be able to distinguish between simple, complex, and compound with the help of the definition and example. Now I am going to write another sentence and I shall change it into another with the help of structure. Doing the work, I took rest. This is a simple sentence because it has one subject and one final verb. Now I am going to change it into complex. It is a matter of importance that you can remember this sentence indicates time factor. verb plus ing when and. This is there. This sentence indicates time factor. For this reason, I can use this formula to change it one form to another. When it is in the simple sentence, I have transferred it into complex by creating a subordinate clause. This is subordinate clause, this is principal clause, and the sentence is in the complex sentence. Now I am going to turn it into compound sentence using and. Doing the work I took rest. It is in the simple sentence and it has been transferred into complex by creating a subordinate clause, and the principal clause is I took rest. This is principal clause and the sentence is in complex sentence. Then I have transferred it into compound sentence using and from the structure. I did the work and took rest. I think all of you have understood how I have transferred them into the complex and compound. Pouring oil to the river to catch fish. Pouring oil to the river to catch fish. This sentence is in the complex, simple sentence. Going in the subject of the sentence and while in the final verb of the sentence. For this reason, it is a simple sentence. And this sentence indicates purpose. For this reason, I am going to follow a structure. Purpose. This sentence indicates purpose. Pouring oil to the river নদীতে গেছিল to catch fish. মাছ ধরতে. This sentence indicates purpose. For this reason, I am going to transfer it into complex sentence. Pouring second sentence, pouring oil to the river so that he could catch fish. This sentence is in the complex sentence, and the structure I have used so that to indicate purpose, so that he could. I have used could here because the sentence is in the past indefinite tense. Now I am going to transfer it into compound sentence. Pouring oil to the river and caught fish. This sentence is in the compound sentences because this sentence contains two independent clauses. For this reason, it is in the compound. These clauses express their meaning independently. স্বাধীনভাবে অর্থ প্রকাশ করে এইগুলো সেগুলোর নাম হলো কম্পাউন্ড সেন্টেন্স। Now I am going to give Rohit goes to the mosque to say his prayer. This sentence is in the simple sentence and it is in the present tense. The previous sentence was in the past indefinite tense. I have changed it into, now I have written a sentence which is in the present indefinite tense. Now I am going to change it into complex sentence. Rohit goes to the mosque and says his prayer. It is in the compound sentence because it has two independent clauses and they all the two clauses express their meaning independently. For this reason, it is in the compound sentence. This sentence is in the complex sentence because structurally Rohit goes to the mosque so that he can say his prayer. It has subordinate clause and principal clause. Now I am going to present you some problem for practice. I have given 3 sentences for you to practice. Jodu went to Japan to earn money. It will be turned into complex sentence. Then when I did the work, I went home. It will be turned into simple sentence. Number 3, the boy went to the river and swam. It will be turned into complex sentence. Now I am going to, this is the end of the class. Now you will do this, solve this problem at home, and you will now learn how sentences can be turned into simple, complex and compound. Thank you.